Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Treasure Hunting Simulator, which is a simulator we already played, but I want to play it, and I think it's my favorite game, so I want to play it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to slam that like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and hop right in the video. So we're basically in this game where you just dig deep down and find treasures. And when you find the treasures, you get money and go. There's those backpack things you have to go sell for money, kind of like that. And yeah, not too complicated in my opinion. So yeah, let's go hop right in the video. We'll try to rebirth in this video. I just need 1 million, as you see here. Over here, you need 1 million. So I just need 1 million, and it takes fast because every time I have my bag to 5,000. It does that. So guys, now I'm gonna rest because I'm not even doing anything. See? I have a metal detector. I'm gonna show you how I'm resting. Peekaboo! You got scared, huh? Thought so. Okay guys, let's go ahead and no, I don't miss it here. No. Let's go ahead and keep some. And now let's keep going down. I want to reach that legendary. Fall for the trick again. Oh. By the way, guys, wait 1 sec. I want to see something on my tablet on my YouTube channel. Oh, wait, no, why tablet? 1 sec, guys, 1 sec. If we go to our uu.com. Let me just move this over here for a second and make it here. So for a second, alright guys, don't know where the face cam is. I lost my face cam. Alright, if we go to my channel, wait a minute. 30 subscribers, I never knew, bro. 30 subscribers. Where's my... Bro. Guys, we have 30 subscribers and 1,010 views. Maybe facecam every single video. Not every single video, but most of the videos. But guys, this is insane. Now, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and go back on the video. I started 2 months, by the way. No, my bad. Right, there we go. So, bro, we have 736. Let's go ahead and go. But guys, thank you so much. We have 1,000 views and 30 subscribers. So we're stuck with playing off for a long time, but we're not. Okay, I'm gonna see. Good night. Guys, I'll relax. I think something fell. BOOM! Got scared, yeah? Pretty sure you did. By the way, guys, if you want me to keep this look, comment down below normal. If you want me to change to this new look, comment down below new. And by the way, comment down below if you got scared. Comment down below if you didn't. And now, guys, let's go ahead and go back here and yeah, go sell. Wait, is the guy? Yeah, he's still here. Alright, let's go ahead. By the way, Screen-O-Matic is actually so good. She did face cam, voice cam, everything. Maybe I'll try to get the video on. I'll try to. How about reach 1 million? Oh, 1 million on this. We have a new subscriber goal. 35 will be insane. I'm not gonna make it by the end of anything, but 35 will be insane, guys. Anyway, so now let's go ahead and chill. Unlike if you don't like my voice. Alright, it's not even my real voice either way. I'm not going to sing like Justin Bieber. I'm talking about boys here. Talking about boys. Alright, too embarrassing. Thank you. Please no tomatoes. Alright, there you guys. I don't act like you're too scared. Girls these days, don't be offensive to girl. Chillin'. Tomorrow, no upload, guys. I'm sorry, but tomorrow is a busy day. Every Monday is no upload. Every single Monday is no upload, because Mondays is a busy day. It's a very busy day. And maybe a Tuesday, no upload even. Can't tell you why, but no upload on Tuesday or Monday. Wednesday, I'll go on upload, sure. Guys, we're almost to 1 mil. When I get 1 mil, I'll maybe rebirth and then end the video. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. No, I'll wait for 5,000, and then I'll wait for another 5,000 until I reach the thing I want. Still, grinding. Hello from the other side. I must have been lying. Hi from the backside. Cause he literally said backwards everything. Alright. Get away and lay and wink at me. Taking hours and hours. Come on, dude. I just really want to get 1 minute. I think there's 2 more to go. Oh, we need 10,000 and then I can go. Alright, yeah, let's go. You want to know how much coins I have? You can see from here, right? You can see from there. And I have 1 rebirth. I already rebirthed once. As you see from here, I rebirthed once already. Yeah. So we're gonna wait until this 1 million is. Who's this? Somebody actually came. Wait a minute. That's not Salty. Salty looks different. Wait, you're happy. He's happy. But you're not happy here. Just acting cool. This is like an actual cool face. What do they call in Roblox? Chill. How do I look like? Something like that. It's in the I'm telling you do how I look like my face in Roblox. Alright guys, the moment we have been waiting for. Time. Close the chat. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's a tough decision. As you see now, I have 2 rebirths. Where'd my face cam go this time? I lost my face cam. Alright, I lost my face cam. Great. I lost my face cam. If you guys can still see me, yeah, you guys could, but I don't know where my face cam went. Is that great? I think it's great. I'm gonna minimize this and minimize this and do that and try to find my face cam. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to slam bell and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I will catch you guys next time. In another video. Hope you have a fantastic day. Peace.